So I have been using the Tecno Packet Speed for the past 2 months now, and there are some tips and tricks that I've been using in my day-to-day life that have really made my day-to-day life really amazing and smooth. It is not one, not two, not three, but 4 tips and tricks that I would love you to know. First off, we have Pick Pro, which shows a selected part of your screen. One-handed mode feature is for those people that have small hands and it's hard for them to reach the edges or top of their smartphone. If you are enjoying this video so far, a sub to the channel will be sparking. I use cast screen to cast my display to my PC when I'm trying to live stream Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG Mobile to Twitch. Lastly, theft alert. You can turn this on by going to your control panel. Then if your phone is being unplugged from the light, it will make a noise until you unlock the phone. The noise will not stop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can check out this video here where I played some games on the Tecno Power 5G, or here where I talk about a budget laptop for Infinix, or you can check out this playlist over here.